What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a 500 gram cake from Gunslinger. It's called Desert Volcano. It is a 15 shot cake. It's got some angle to it, as you see on here on top. It tells you to make sure you point in the right direction. Let's take a look at the bore sizes here. You see you got a couple rows of angled, a couple rows of straight. The first rows, I guess we got alternating rows of straight, angle, and straight shots look a little smaller than angled. Like I said, these look like a little over an inch. These ones probably about an inch. But like I said, 15 shots. Let's take a look at the performance here. It says Volcano doesn't stop. It erupts green with red lace, red with white lace, and purple with gold lace. Sometimes straight up, and sometimes in a V-shaped pattern, over 45 seconds long. So that is Desert Volcano. This will be my first Gunslinger cake that I've shot. So let's take it out, see how she looks.